All right, Ryan. No pressure, but maybe some fuel pressure. What you working on, brother?
We are installing a new fuel system for this 14 Charger. And we're just getting ready to put a filter in, run all the lines, get everything hooked up, and hopefully get it out of here.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do, so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move, so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast, I can roast, I can gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior, get off of me, this ain't no humble brag, I want you to hear words, you can say them back, I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams is modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off and knowing I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it, I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages, a vacant modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
Out that way, you know, things won't be drawn.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Wrapping this up, hopefully get this into the car. End of this week, beginning of next week.
Hey, Chris, I'm going to tell you a secret. I don't know if you know this or not, but I'm going to tell you.
See what I'm doing?
No, but check this out. I'm going to tell you a secret really quick.
What did you do? Oh, you paused it.
This goes down.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Why does it go down?
If you want it to, it can go down.
Well, yeah, I know. But I have no power to put it back up.
Oh. I mean, you do you, but
I mean,
figure it out.
I'd hate to bring this down and then have to wait to use the cord in order to bring it back up.
Oh, that's, well, I'll unplug that sucker for both of
So,
us.
you leave me alone and let me do my thing.
Fair enough. I hush. I hush, boy. I hush. What are you guys doing?
I'm installing a airbag system in the rear of this truck. What year is it?
2023?
22, 24, something. That's pretty new, pretty nice.
Look, guys, it's Ryan, the Star Trek edition. Ah, shut it up. There he is. See me now. What are we doing, bro?
We're putting a controller and compressor in this truck for the rear airbag system.
Nice, nice. Looks like you're dialed. Got everything figured out.
I think so. I think so.
Good enough for government work?
Yep.
Cool. No, man, you're doing a good job. I was peeping the work. Looking good.
Measure some stuff out so I can make them out. So we're about 3.5 inches. For that. Yep. And this is gonna go right.
What's up, guys? Diehl Brothers Racing here. Got some cool cars in here this week. We got this beautiful Camaro. We're going to be doing some adjustment on the windows, getting the windows working right. Something out of our ordinary. Not saying we don't know how to do it. It's just not what we normally do.
I prefer carbs.
He prefers carbs. I prefer fuel injection. We're going to be going through, getting this thing over to the dyno, adjusting this carb, getting this thing running good for this lady, actually. Her name's Michelle. Awesome lady. Been a customer of ours for a long time. Get this thing dialed in, adjusted, running good for her so she can enjoy this thing for the season. And then we got this beautiful Chevrolet back here. LS swap, 4L60E. We are going to be getting a bass tune, everything up in this, kind of get everything dialed in, running good. We got to build a air intake system for it. Full custom stainless exhaust. Going to be getting some side exits that come out right down here. This thing is awesome. The customer has done this all on his own. You know, done all the patina stuff, all the work. It's all aftermarket frame. So we're just gonna be tidying some things up for him that are above his head and getting this thing back on the road into him so he can enjoy it for the season as well. Then come Friday, we'll be down Muncie Dragway, racing down there, street class, small tire. I'm not sure what we're gonna run in yet, probably small tire. And Saturday, after we get done at Muncie, we will be hightailing it all the way up to Dragway 42 to race at Dragway 42 on Saturday for their street class event up there. So stay tuned for the content on this, and our racing this weekend.